Master Dre Market Dealers here, bring our daily market bias video for Wednesday, November 20th. It's exactly 5:30 a.m. East Coast. We will take a look at the overnight session in Asia. Asia traded mainly to the downside with the exception of the Indian Sensex exchange, which is trading higher at this particular time. Currently right now in Europe, and as current and ongoing, Europe is open trading. All of Europe is trading to the downside. Now, if we were to take a look at market correlation as it stands. U.S. dollar is trading higher. It's been trading higher pretty much all morning long. Bonds are trading higher. In fact, the entire bond universe is taking off. And that's been trading higher pretty much all morning long as well. The indices themselves, in terms of the S&P, NASDAQ, Dow Jones Industrial Average, all point to a lower open. Gold is trading higher. And crude oil is trading lower, at least fractionally at this particular point. In terms of economic news we have in the docket today for the U.S. markets, we really don't have very much. We have crude oil inventories out at 10:30 a.m., which is typical, usual, and customary for a Wednesday. But the major news of the day is going to be at 2 p.m. when the FOMC releases their meeting minutes from their last meeting. That's always major, and is always pretty much a proven market mover because it talks about or gives some insight as to what the Fed may do going into the future. But of course, as all things, time will tell what they actually do. All this being said, our bias is to the downside. And the reason why I'm suggesting this, gold is trading higher, U.S. dollar is trading higher, bonds are trading higher, the indices themselves are all pointing to a lower open, all of Europe is trading to the downside, hence our bias is to the downside. Could this change? Absolutely. Anything is possible in a volatile market. Thanks, hope this helps. Look forward to the next time with you.